Let's learn about some birds in this lesson. Peacock. A peacock dances when it rains. Duck. A duck swims in the water. Parrot. A parrot is green in color. Rooster. A rooster crows in the morning. Eagle. An eagle can catch and kill snakes. Pigeon. A pigeon is grey in color. Ostrich. An ostrich is a tall bird. Crow. A crow crows. Owl. An owl cannot see during the daytime. Hen. A hen gives us eggs. Woodpecker. A woodpecker makes its nest in a tree hollow. Crane. A crane catches fish near the ponds. Sparrow. Sparrow is a small bird. Cuckoo. A cuckoo can sing. Penguin. A penguin is a flightless bird found in Antarctica. Today we have learnt about different types of birds. Hope you all have enjoyed it. With this, we are ending this lesson. So, bye friends.